Hello guys, back to my video. So today we're going to playing Granny. So anyways guys, if this is my video channel, subscribe. So anyways guys, we're going to play the game. So subscribe. So you keep on saying that, I guess. The Philippines, I think. Do not say that. If I'm going to leave it. I don't know what sounds like. Okay, so we're going to just play. Wait. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm back to some games. Okay. So anyways, there's the scary. And where is it? The scary one, guys. So anyways guys, I'm going to restart my record because of this cousin trying to. Why? There's Grandpa. 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 Hi. I'm scared. Where's Grandpa? I guess. Oh, got it. I guess. Let me know in the comments. Okay. So anyways guys. Okay. I think I like this. Who's that doorbell?
Where are you?
What's that?
Where are you?
Oh, there is. Why? Oh, it's you, I guess. It's you. Come on, let's go. Oh. Okay. Where's the gun? Okay, where's the gun? Upstairs microwave. My upstairs microwave. Okay. Oh my god. Oh wait. Yes. What's that? The crowbar? Okay. Wow. What's okay? Can you record it? Oh my god. Okay, I just get I have this. Stop kissing me. You look like a weird. Oh my god. Hey. Granny.
For scaring me.
Because of you. Yes. Yes. Okay. I need a crowbar, guys. We need the crowbar. The crowbar, guys. Okay. Yes. I found the crowbar. I found the gas. Huh? I'm about to die. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm about to. No, win. Okay, where's the card? Where's the upgrade, I guess? Look at that. I need a card. I need a card, I guess. I don't know. I need to show you. Where are you? Okay. Where's Granny? Oh my god! I shoot Grandpa! Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wait, I shoot Grandpa! Yes. Do you have the card?
1
Yes.
minute, basically 60 seconds.
Bye!
1 minute?
Bruh.
Yes!
Oh my god.
60 seconds.
Bruh.
60 minutes. Seconds! Bungobo.
You? What they doing, no? Okay, so anyways guys, we're going to just shoot this. Can I shoot it or not? No, I don't want to shoot it. Because I'm going to lose it, I guess. Do I have a lot?
Appearing. Disappearing. Appearing.
Wait,
I'm a kid.
what's that? A key?
His balls are appearing.
A pillion? What's that? I'm going to smack your crowbar, huh? Smack my crowbar, huh?
What? She doesn't know what balls means.
Uh.
Even I know. And it's basketball. Ano mo kaya ko? Ay, si Grana. Ayan!
I curse on him, I guess. I keep on this
How
one.
about at the next round? My phone.
Get out of here. I'm going to shoot Granny. You! Oh.
Okay? ba nastulog tayo?
Oh my god, I guess.
Okay, what?
Oh my god. I found a lot. So I'm going to shoot Granny.
Wala we can't see her panty. YouTube is
No.
covered.
No, you can't. Oh my god, I found it. Oh my god, I found the painting. I found the painting. Ah, painting. Utut. 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 Painting. Oh, that's only. Oh wait, huh? Wow. Wow. What's that? A piece of the painting? Okay. What's this? I found it. A black car. Boat car.
That for death. One more death. Ay, namiss ako!
Oh my god. What's that?
Shout. Shout. Shout.
Where is it? Hey! Hey! You stop? Okay, let me play the piano with Granny. Oh my god. Stop saying that. Okay, so that's right. Right. Stuck, I guess. For being stuck.
Just for being
I think I'm being stuck, I guess, for being angry.
Ayan.
Wow. How close are you? What the heck? What the heck? Can I kiss the butt? No! Oh my god. Grandpa will Granny will go to this guy chase me like a psychopath.
Walang lain. Lain. When see you.
I see you. Hey! Hey, that's my key. Oh my god, I crashed on him, I guess. Oh no! The spawn na!
Bata.
The spawn! This is for spawn. Let me shoot him. Ay! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! I actually shoot her. And also spawn there. Oh my god, it's funny! It's funny. I think it's funny.
Look. May door lock ka na?
I think it's funny, right?
Ay, meron na ako eh. Lock door.
Oh my god. You monster. Oh.
Nag-disappear.
Hey, where are you?
Before
I will
saw
shoot the Granny and Grandpa.
The fish was still there. Then it became
Yes. Yes. Being weird, I think.
Sanding ba? Sa bathroom. Kasi pooping.
Oh!
Or sige nga ba?
Oh, wait. I just shoot her. Hey, yo!
Sir?
Here.
Di ba?
Nothing. 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 Sorry. No. I'm dead end.
One more.
No.
What if baby scream? My fault.
Why?
Kuya's fault.
No, not me.
My fault. You would shout. You would slap you on my luga.
Okay, come on. Granny. Okay, go.
Almost the next round. At almost the next round.
Go! Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so hard. It's so hard.
Please don't change where the shot.
Oh my god, I can't find it because there's Granny.
No, if I didn't find it, I'll say, ano.
A piece of the painting. Where's the piece of the painting? Where's the Grandpa? Granny.
Granny.
Oi. Hey. You shot Granny. Hey, Grandpa. Watch this. You're choking it. You're choking like a gun. Hey, move it. I like my move it. Hey, security camera. Watch out. Security camera. Security camera. What? Okay. Okay, 19 minutes. 19 minutes more. Let's go.
Kung sana yung lang. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on.
Dalawang paso.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, that's so scary.
So, yung si Grandpa. Grandpa. Seriously.
Whoa! I thought. How dare you? Dare you? Stop. Can you please stop? Stop. Or it will end.
Talking about Granny.
Stop.
Duma.
Stop.
Oh, under.
Just, it's not me. This is
Ikaw,
Granny.
si Granny.
Fine.
She looks brown.
Looks brown.
Black.
Black, ah.
Sige. Get me and I'm gonna kill you.
Grandpa. Stinky like a grandpa.
Oh.
Stinky grandpa.
That's
Stinky like a grandpa. Stinky like a grandpa. Look at him.
Let's see.
Look at him. He's so handsome.
Handsome
Look.
daw.
Handsome. Look at him. He's so handsome. And I'm gole. One time gole. One.
Kuya, can you come here?
No. There's grandpa.
Grandpa.
No.
That's called Grandpa. No.
Utot.
Grandma.
Guli. One time. There's grandpa there.
Guli.
Can you come, please?
No.
Yes.
I'm stuck by Grandpa.
I'm stuck dito.
Guli.
There's grandpa. Haha! Should I trick you? Let me here.
Lubot mo, be.
Let me just kiss you.
No.
Not me.
Aray. Oh, yung si Granny.
Not me. Sorry. Stop kissing me. Stop. Stop you weirdo.
You're the worst.
Not me.
This guy is trying to Finally.
No, ayoko. No. You can go. Sorry. Please.
No.
You deserve. No, you. Shut up, baby. Please stop bullying me. Please stop. No, you. Please stop.
You're the one who made
No, I was kidding. You. Please stop. Or so
I already died.
You. No, you. Stop it, you. There you go. Hey,
Yung nga dito.
you go.
Nagurutos ako.
Hey, you. You go.
Keep on doing that.
I'm not gonna allow. Please.
Lubot?
Ano? What? Stop it. Can you go? Go. Hey. Disturb.
Wala dito.
Okay. Hey. You go, baby. Go to the stairs. You can. Disturb.
I didn't die.
Shut up. No, you. Shut up. Kiss me.
No.
Let me kiss you. Can I kiss your arm, please? That's fine. Sorry. Please stop.
Babae! Kabat lubot.
Stop. Hey.
Magic trick. Magic eye. I see you.
Go. Please stop. Where's Olive? Please stop. Baby!
No!
Alright, I'm gonna leave now. Baby, stop.
Let's go to get Mama mo.
What, baby? What are you doing?
I'm taking...
Disturb! Please stop.
Still no.
Not me. Hey.
Kuya, stop scaring me.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Ah!
Stop. You go.
Apa.
I'm going to.
Sige. One.
Two. Ha! Ah!
1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5. 1, 2, 3,
Hello.
4, 5. I'm touching you, but I can't.
Coming, we'll miss you.
Mama mo.
Come on.
You're tickling me, stop.
Okay. Please stop, you. Please. Just trying to record.
Hi, now.
You ugly girl, ah. You. I love you. Hey, you. How many players?
4.
4? Okay.
Go outside.
No, you. Ayoko.
Okay.
No. No, do not.
Just go.
No. Just go.
Where's the gun? Magic trick. Magic trick.
What?
Do the magic
What?
trick, kuya.
Granny?
Do the magic trick.
No, I hate it.
Not a backward.
To be cool, ma.
Go outside.
Hey! Hey, stop it.
You can slap me. You can slap me.
I slap on you.
Ow.
Please. Bruh. Just go. Ah! You deserve. Stop it.
I did.
Please stop. Please stop, guys. Please. Stop, please. Please. Please stop.
Kuya,
No.
crouch. Crouch. Crouch.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Do like this.
I can't even crouch. I'm a turtle. I'm a turtle. Mwah. Mwah.
Ah!
I love you both.
Mm.
Mwah. I love you, but you know. Ah, I saw that. Nothing. Stop. Please. Please. No, I'm safe. No, you. I'm safe. I'm going to be a magic.
Wait lang, wait. Magic.
I don't wanna
Ano?
be a magic.
Go to the bullock there. God, my God.
Oh God, what?
Ano? You call that a gun?
You are ugly and silly and disgusting.
Bad sa gun. Kung wara ka na.
Oh my God, where is it? Ah!
Kung dun si ano.
Oh my God, I died.
Haha, that's what you get.
Please stop.
Bye.
Please stop. Stop na, baby.
That's grandma and grandpa. Grandma and grandpapa. Sabi mo, grandpapa and grandmama. Shoot. Aray.
Okay, where's it? Where's Granny? Wait. Don't the other. Don't.
Sinayon.
Don't ano. Okay, what's that? Hey. Don't you dare ever bully me again. Okay. What's that? Okay.
Pwede? Doon ako dito.
Okay. Okay, I only got 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, okay.
Okay, never mind.
Grandpa.
You will see.
What happened? What happened to him? What does he saw?
Kuya, get a gun.
No!
I knocked out ano.
No!
He's
Fine.
flying.
Okay. We can just knock
Oh,
out. There's
come
Grandpa! I said there's Granny! Oh my god, you weird. You go. I'm going to close on you.
Kuna. I knocked out ano.
I'm going to close on you.
Ano.
Can I close on you?
Sana.
Oh! Rusika, who will respawn there? Wait, I found this. Wait, I found it.
Well, I'm. Mama
Is that a book? Oh no. Shit, I know. Okay, there is. I don't know. Grandpa.
Kuya, did you pick the ano? Gun?
I don't have. Sorry, I can't. No. So
I'm
scary.
upstairs. Go upstairs. I'm here.
Okay.
Get the ano. I'm gonna help you.
Please help
Granny
me.
there. Yan. Follow me.
There's Granny. Oh no! I'm scared.
There.
Oh my god. What?
Here.
Thank you. Oh my god. Hey.
It wasn't me. You ano.
Hey, how dare you, huh? Okay, I just pushed the granite thing. Okay. We will just... Oh no, there's...
Something is blocking.
Oh!
this
Oh no,
door.
there's a spawn there. There's a camp spawn. Oh no. Shit, Grandpa.
Ito.
Wait, you died?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
I literally handed you the ano.
Okay.
Tanggal.
Stop it. Stop saying that. Hey. What's the camping spawn, huh? What's that, Granny? Oh, wait, I get it, I guess. I get it. Oh my god. No. Oh my god, guys. Okay. Oh my god, that's good. You're not lagging. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to end. So goodbye, guys.